The purpose of meditation is to experience the practice of mindfulness. This is where you focus on being aware of what you are sensing and feeling in the moment, without explanation or judgment. Awareness like this leads you to process feelings and emotions from a more detached and less reactive perspective. Perhaps you're simply overwhelmed and need some time to think, or possibly you are angry at an employee, client, or friend. In these moments, taking a time out or break for meditation is incredibly useful to process those feelings. You need to sit with your thoughts in peace before you can understand where they are taking you, and if you want to go through that journey or release those thoughts entirely. Meditation cannot solve your problems alone. What it does is allow you to shift how you choose to relate to, react to, and view the circumstances happening around you. Your growth through this practice is a marathon and not a sprint. You will not attain mindfulness in one session. Like exercise, it should be done repeatedly and with total effort to get the best results.